1 and 1/4 sandwiches. How many children can she feed?
So, Samir, what's something that you did on the last problem that you didn't do for this problem?
Something that I didn't do for this problem, but I did for the last problem was that I annotated. So,
Samir, if you were going to annotate for this problem, what's the first thing that you should have written?
the first thing that I should have written is that each child is gonna be fed one-fourth of a sandwich.
Stop there. Track me. Was anybody confused about how much sandwich each kid was going to get? Not how much you had, but just how much sandwich each person was going to receive. So Zayana, Amira, Tyrone, I guess I can see why this is tricky, but it does tell you right in the problem, hands down. Amira, how much sandwich is each child going to get? Yep. How much sandwich, Zion, is each kid going to receive? Tyrone, how much sandwich is each scholar receiving? Tell it your hands. 1/4. Good. Samir, what would be the next thing that you would have annotated?
The next thing that I would have annotated is that she has 1 and 1/4 sandwiches.
She has 1 and 1/4 sandwich. This is the part, everybody track me, that a lot of us were getting tricked up on. I think that if you guys know how much fractions of a sandwich she has, I think that's pretty easy for you guys to figure out. But where I think we struggled was, how do I show 1 and 1/4 with a diagram? Jay Reese and Sanaya, put your pencils away. Okay? In the desk. So let's work with what we already know. What part of that 1 and 1/4 do we definitely know how to show in a picture? What part of that do we definitely know how to show? Davila.
1/4.
I'm going to draw my circle. How many pieces?
4.
How many am I going to shade?
1.
Stop there. So I have the 1/4 part for my 1 and 1/4, right? Now, the tricky part that a lot of us were getting tricked up on was this 1 part, right? How do I show 1 in a picture? How do I show 1 whole? How do I show 1 whole in a picture? If we remember, Miss Stewart showed us a picture. I remember it like it was 5 minutes ago. She showed us 2 circles, and one of the circles was a whole, and the other one was a half. Amira, how do I show 1 whole drawing circles? Oh, like that? Is this 1 whole?
Yes.
But what's the problem with this? And it's not gonna help me solve this problem if I just keep it like this. Because I'm looking at my sandwich and I'm thinking like, man, is this sandwich just 1 big sandwich? What did they do with that sandwich, Rafia?
They cut it in half.
Ooh.
Well, they
did cut it. They did split. Shh. But how many pieces, Rafia, did they cut it up into?
They cut it up into 4.
And how did you know that they cut it up into 4 pieces?
I know that they cut it up into 4 pieces because it says each child received 1/4 sandwich.
So I took my sandwich, Amira, you're doing awesome. I took my sandwich, I broke it up into 4 pieces, but right now this shows 0 out of 4, right?
Yeah.
How do I show I have the whole thing? I have 4/4 of that sandwich. How do I show that I have 4/4 of that sandwich? Zayden?
You color 1 in.
Oh, let's color 1 in. This is 4/4, 1 whole?
No, you color all.
Oh, man. Everybody track me. Track the board. Track the board. How many whole sandwiches do I have on this picture? How many whole sandwiches do I have, Davila? How many whole sandwiches do I have?
You have 1 whole.
I have 1 whole sandwich. Atia, what part of this sandwich do I have?
You have 1 part of that
Yep, but how many parts are there in total? Say it like a fraction. 1.
Out of 4.
Say it like a fraction. What?
1/4.
Class, this picture that I just drew, what does that represent? So I want you to tell me this, I want you to, it's like you're reading the pictures. If I was going to say these two together, how would I say this? How would I say what these pictures are representing? Yeah, so